Hello, everyone. Today, Rayanne, Yvonne, and myself, Emily, will help you show how to use your Chromebook. So to begin, we have step one, which is powering up your Chromebook. We're going to begin by taking your Chromebook out of the box and then connecting the power cord with the power block, as you can see here, and then connect the power block to an outlet. And after you do that, you can then connect the outer end of the power cord to the laptop. As you see right here, you can see my cursor. So you're gonna connect the cable with the block, then the block to the power cord, to the outlet, and then connect it to your Chromebook. Step 1B is turning on your Chromebook. So here you will see a welcome screen when you first open your Chromebook, then you click Let's Go. Step 2A is to connect to Wi-Fi. I apologize for the poor visibility on this picture, but you're gonna first click on the Wi-Fi network that you wish to connect, and then you input your password and click on Connect. Google Terms of Service screen will then pop up, so click on Accept and Continue. And then you're going to wait for the Chromebook check for its updates.
Okay, so step 3 and 3A in particular is to make an account with your Chromebook. So if you have a Gmail account already set up with a Gmail email address, then all you need to do is sign in using that Gmail address and the password for it. If you do not have a Gmail account, you can click on More Options and then Create Account. And it's going to ask you to input your first and last name, your birthday and gender, and then you can either select one of the Gmail addresses that they create for you, or you can create your own. Okay, so for the next slide, if you choose to create your own email address, you'll click on the option that says create your own Gmail address. And after you've selected the one that you want to use, you will click next, and it will ask you to create a password. And we recommend that you create a strong password and that you write it down somewhere so that you don't forget what it is. Okay. The next thing that will come up is that you will need to input your phone number if you have one. If you do not have a phone number or do not wish to include a phone number, you can select skip if you don't want to add it. And afterwards, you can select yes if you do include your phone number. So review your account info page is going to pop up after that, and you can hit next. The next screen that will pop up is a privacy and terms page. You can scroll down by either using the down arrow key or by sliding down on the mouse pad with your pointer and middle finger and click I agree. Congratulations, you are now signed in. Click accept and continue. A Google Play Apps and Services screen is going to pop up after this, and you can go ahead and click more and then accept to continue. It's going to ask if you want to meet your Google Assistant. You can turn this setting on if you so choose. And to activate it, you would say, hey, Google, and then a command. You can also choose to select no thanks if you would prefer not to set this up or if it's not working. Then you're going to press done and get started. Step 4 is accessing the internet. And to do this, all you'll need to do is click on the icon shown on the screen at the bottom of your Chromebook, and it will automatically bring up the Google Chrome Internet Search Browser.
Now that you have a Gmail account and that your internet is set up, the fifth and final step that we will go over today is how to download an app. We will practice on how to download the Skype app. So the first step that you will do is you are going to click on an app called the Play Store. You should be able to find it at the bottom of your Chromebook screen in that gray bar at the very bottom of the screen. Once you click on the Play Store, you will then use the search bar up above in the screen to type in Skype. And once you type in Skype, you will get another window that pops up. That window looks like this. You can see that we have the Skype app title there at the top left of the screen. On the opposite side, in the right upper corner, we see the install button. Once you've found the app that you like, the one that you want to download, then click the install button indicated by the green arrow. After doing that, after the app installs, it will automatically go to the launcher app. You can access the launcher by clicking on the bottom left corner of the screen. It looks like a little white circle. Once you click on that little white circle, you will see a screen that looks very similar to the screen on the right, to the image on the right side of the screen. On this screen, you will see that the Skype app has now downloaded and it can be found in this array. It is indicated by the green arrow on this image shown. Now that that is done, that is all we have for you today. You have successfully powered up your Chromebook. You have successfully made a Gmail account. You've successfully accessed the internet and you downloaded your first app. That's exciting. And I hope that you have a great time using your Chromebook. And Rayanne, Emily, and myself, Ivan, are very thankful for watching this video. Thank you.